So, we've left this pan out here for maybe, how long? Not even an hour.
40 minutes?
40 minutes, and we're going to see if we can cook an egg. No chance.
We did want to leave it longer, guys, but the sun's sort of disappeared for the day. I mean, I would say that's definitely not cooking. Well, we'll try it another day, guys. Look, it cooked. Just ignore the hob. Jake, what are you doing? You're stealing Abby's noodle. Boiling hot water straight from that, which is, I want one of these in my house. In my bedroom, exact.
Why is that?
Okay, Jake, wait, mind. Blown. You just have to push down and turn. Ooh. Jeez. Slightly burned. Hey, that's flavour. Flavour. It's because it was so well cooked from the sun. Jake's egg is awaiting his noodles. Looks good. I am cooking chicken. I've decided to chop it up. But also, look at this. Whoa. That's some shit. What's Jake doing? Oh, he's bleeding. He's bleeding into it. It's not blood, people. Info. Are you excited to try our noodles?
Yeah.
Very good. In you go. Oh, that is oh my lord. They just blow so easily off the trees. The poor pool has to be cleaned like every 2 fucking minutes. Are we just... Oh, Jay. You've got so much orange blood, mate. We're just gonna stay here until it suddenly just hits us. Yeah, like it's imminent. That's a bassy bit of thunder.
No, it's actually in my
Face. Look at that. It's all over there. That looks ominous. It weirdly doesn't look that bad on camera. I mean, it still looks bad, but it doesn't look as bad as what it looks like in real life. Blue sky was just is going over there. Oh, it's starting to rain a bit. Abby's quite confused at what we're doing. Hello. Ooh, bit of lightning over there. Bit of lightning, folks. Don't get storms like this in the UK. At least very, very rarely. How long are we filming this for?
until it gets chucks it down.
Okay. Well, what if it never and we just stand for like an hour in like light rain? It's starting to get heavier in the pool. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think we're gonna have to wait too much longer before it's absolutely. Oh, get a bit windier. It's definitely coming from that way.
Just always been there.
Because one night, when we went to the market ages ago, she took him off to go in your room, and she hasn't left ever since.
Clouds. Always really chucks it down.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not waiting.
No, Abby? No.
Have fun.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's still kind of light. It felt like it was about to hit us hard. Come on, I think this might be it. Any second now. Fuck that! Did you see that crack of lightning in the sky? It wasn't on the camera, but
I saw it.
it was massive. Oh my god, let's go speak to, oh my god. Is your heart racing? I looked up and it was like huge.
That was so loud. The way you boys just sprinted out of that.
Dude, do you want to know why? It's because we were both looking up and we see like this massive bit of lightning, like huge right in front of us. And then the crack of it, that was us. We're not waiting until it gets super heavy rain anymore. Or at least not out there. Jay, how would you describe that? That was terrifying, especially stood right next to a pool. It's definitely raining heavier, but I mean, probably wasn't the amount of rain we were aiming to get. But Jesus, Nora.
Those windows are so wicked.
Yeah, I bet useless. Is that hail? Go check if it's hail. That is heavy rain. I still can't believe that light. I kind of wish I got it on camera, but I don't think I did. Holy jeepers creepers. One brave soldier. How wet will he get?
Oh god, it's gonna be so.
Go! Is it cold? You a bit soggy? Will you see how long I was holding the camera here? And then I stop, and then it flashes. Oh. Guys, I just came in here, turned the light on, and 2 seconds later the power's gone out, so it's definitely a pretty big storm. I just heard the world's biggest scream. What the hell just happened?
It's under the cabinet.
You sure?
watched it go under there. I watched it.
Abby, do you want to explain what's going on?
There is a massive spider underneath my cabinet in my room. I literally watched it go under there.
Wait, where was it before that?
It was up in that corner. Jake threw toilet paper at it, and it literally scurried down, and then it scurried across the top, and then it went underneath the cabinet. Oh my god, I wish I filmed that. Can you see it? Oh my god, that shit's massive.
This thing won't kill it. It needs something like.
What is gonna kill it?
Guys, you can't kill it. You gotta put it in a cup with a bit of paper.
You do it then.
Not a chance.
No, I'm not having that. So being alive in.
That is honestly terrifying, guys. Did not know you could get that spiders that big. And why is my door slightly open? So guys, sorry I didn't keep you updated with the spider, but Abby and Jake got it out, mainly Jake. They moved the entire cupboard and then they sprayed it with bug spray and apparently just crawled up into a ball as like grr. Now, I know we shouldn't be killing spiders, but I just don't think none of us were quite capable to pick up a spider that big or put a cup on it, because I don't think it would have fit in a cup. And I don't think a bowl, it was just risky, so sorry to the animal lovers. We tried our best. But yeah, thank you for watching another vlog. I know these last few non-travelling vlogs are probably quite short and quite dull, but they do exist. And I'm trying my best to make them as good as possible, but we are just knackered from travelling for the last like 2 months, that we just kind of enjoy being in our own rooms, not doing much. And like when we're outside, we're just sunbathing or in the pool briefly. So yeah, but make sure you subscribe, like, follow the Instagram, Life of Ollie, follow the TikTok, Life of Ollie as well. In the Life, it's a 3, so that's how you find me. It's the same photo of me with a snorkel, same as the YouTube. But yeah, subscribe, share this with your friends. Come on, we're gonna try and grow this YouTube even more. But yeah, peace out, guys.